movement. Muscles are attached to the bones with the help of tough cords called the tendons. Now tendons are the means of joining your muscles and the bones. मसल्स को बोन के ऊपर चिपकाने के लिए और अटैच करने के लिए यू नीड स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉर्ड्स. कॉर्ड्स यानी यू कैन से वायर जैसे. ओके, सो स्ट्रॉन्ग वायर जैसे substances है, that those are called as tendons. Okay, so these tendons are the tough cords which attach the bones with the muscles. Muscles और bones को join करने के लिए you need tendons. Okay, to move a bone, two muscles come into play. Whenever I am moving any body part, two muscles are working in pair, two sets of muscles. Okay, see when I move it, what is happening here? यहाँ के muscles और यहाँ के muscles, these are the two pairs. एक muscle का pair यहाँ पे है, one set is here. Now what is happening when I am moving my arm बेटा, ये वाले muscles रिलैक्स हो जाते हैं. ओके, आराम करते हैं और यहाँ के मसल्स स्ट्रेच हो जाते हैं. ओके, व्हेन आई कीप इट लाइक दिस, बोथ आर इन देयर ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. जब मैं हाथ उठाती हूँ तो ये मसल्स रिलैक्स हो गए, है ना, आराम हो गए, वो खींच नहीं रहे हैं. दे आर नॉट इन द रेगुलर प्लेस. उनको छोटी जगह है तो वो खींच लेते हैं खुद को. और यहाँ के मसल्स अपने आप को स्ट्रेच कर रहे हैं. ओके, दे आर स्ट्रेचिंग देमसेल्व्स ताकि वो यहाँ पे फिट हो सके. सो दिस वे टू पेयर्स और टू सेट्स ऑफ मसल्स वर्क टू मेक अ बॉडी पार्ट मूव. कोई भी बॉडी पार्ट को मूव करने के लिए दो सेट ऑफ मसल्स काम करते हैं एक साथ. ओके, so one set will relax, other set will contract. Okay, so relaxing and contracting. एक सेट अपने आप को खींचेगा, एक सेट अपने आप को सिकोड़ लेगा, छोटा कर लेगा. So in this way the muscles work in tandem, in coordination. एक साथ वो काम करते हैं to move a body part. Getting me? Then let's move on. They say that the muscles are of two types now. So again we are seeing two types of muscles in our body, that is voluntary and involuntary. Voluntary muscles are the muscles which are in our control. Okay, तो जो भी muscles को आप control कर सकते हो, those are voluntary muscles. But the muscles which are not in your control, आप जिसको कंट्रोल नहीं करते हो, उनको involuntary muscles they are called. So voluntary muscles are the muscles of your say hands, legs, okay, your eyes, all are in my control. मैं जब चाहूँ तब उनको हिलाती हूँ. I can make them move at my own wish, isn't it? इसलिए ये मेरे कंट्रोल में है. And they are called voluntary muscles. Okay, so the muscles which are almost joining all the bones, they are all voluntary muscles. Okay, bones को join करने वाले muscle जितने भी हैं वो सारे voluntary muscles होते हैं. But involuntary muscles are those which are in your internal organs, जैसे heart, stomach, lungs, liver, kidney. Okay, these muscles are not in our control. Why? I cannot control my heart beating, I cannot control my digestion, I cannot control my kidneys. Okay, because these muscles are not in my control. मैं अपने हार्ट को, चलो आज सोचा कि थोड़ी देर के लिए हार्ट को बंद कर देती हूँ, बहुत काम कर रहा है. Can I do that? No, because if I do that, it will, my body will die, I will die, isn't it? So suppose ये हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं होते, तो what would happen? जो छोटे छोटे बेबीज हैं उनको तो पता नहीं होता है, they don't know. So what would they do? वो अपने हार्ट के मसल्स को शायद बंद कर देते, isn't it? So this is very dangerous, and that is why these muscles, the muscles of the internal organs, they are not in our control. they are working on the instruction of the brain. ब्रेन इनको इंस्ट्रक्शन देता है, इनको कंट्रोल करता है बेटा. ओके, सो द ब्रेन इज लुकिंग आफ्टर द इनवॉलंटरी मसल्स. ये जो कंट्रोल में नहीं है, ये मसल्स आर इन द कंट्रोल ऑफ योर ब्रेन. Okay, so brain looks after the involuntary muscles. They also look after the voluntary muscles, but okay, your brain is not always saying the things that you do want to do, है ना. कभी कभी the brain gives you some instructions that your heart does not want. आपका दिल नहीं है, पर आपका ब्रेन आपको बोलेगा नहीं, पढ़ाई करो, एग्जाम आ रही है, isn't it? दिल को लगता है अरे जाने दो ना, थोड़ी देर और आराम कर लूँ, टीवी देख लूँ, है ना, खेलने चला जाऊँ. बट योर ब्रेन विल से नो नो नो, एग्जाम है कल, लर्न, स्टडी. Okay, so in this way your brain is always working and giving instructions. Okay, so your brain is controlling all the things of your body. Okay, whether it is voluntary or involuntary muscles. So we saw about the voluntary, involuntary muscles. Voluntary muscles are the muscles which are in our control. Involuntary muscles not in our control. Okay, so more to it, that voluntary muscles, when you see under the microscope, you will see that it is having stripes. Okay, voluntary muscles पे ऐसे पट्टे पट्टे दिखते हैं, stripes दिखते हैं. Okay, and that is why the voluntary muscles are also called striated or stripped muscles. Okay, voluntary muscles का दूसरा नाम है striated or stripped muscles. Why? Because under the microscope इनके ऊपर ऐसे पट्टे पट्टे दिखते हैं, stripes दिखते हैं. Okay, so they are also called striated or stripped muscles. Whereas involuntary muscles, they don't show any strips or striations, and so they are called as unstriated, or they are also called as smooth muscles. Okay, unstriated or smooth muscles. So voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles are also called as smooth or unstriated. Unstriated means जिस पर कोई strips नहीं है, and these are called striated or stripped muscles, because they have strips on them when viewed under a microscope. Now microscope, as you all know, is a device to see very small things. Okay, so when human muscles are seen under the microscope, ये voluntary muscles, which are all the muscles joining the bones, these muscles are striated or stripped muscles, and so they are called as striated and stripped muscles also. Okay, उनका दूसरा नाम है. Involuntary muscles का दूसरा नाम है smooth or unstriated muscles, because they don't show any stripes in them. Okay, so this is all we are doing today. We have finished with our skeletal system here. So please read and revise it again and again. Okay beta, so please keep on revising this chapter, and for today you will read and revise till what we have done, that is the muscles.